So today we're actually going to be looking at a Karen video, okay? And essentially what ended up happening is this lady came to this other lady's home, being a Karen, of course, complaining that while they were at their house inside of their own home, they were apparently making too much noise. All right. And she goes and says, I'm a criminal defense attorney, yada, yada, yada. Meanwhile, the lady is out here slurring her speech, yada, yada, yada. All right. We are going to go ahead and just look at this video. Okay, so as you can see, this is from T and the Shade. It says intoxicated suspected white supremacist threatens to call police because black family was being too loud inside their home. TOO.
Hey guys. I'm not trying to open up your door, dude.
Who is you?
I'm just at your door.
Okay, how can I help you?
You guys are screaming so loud, the whole neighborhood, 911. The cops are about to call and I don't want to do that.
I don't give a fuck. We is at our house, lady. Don't you dare come to my house. Go on and get on.
No. I'm not trying to be that.
No. What you doing over here? No. Don't touch my door.
Sweetie, look at
I
me.
don't care. What is y'all doing over here? We is in our home that we own, and my family is having a good time. What the hell you doing at my door? You get your drunk ass away from my door. Yes, you.
Hold on.
Okay. I'm a criminal defense attorney.
I don't give a fuck who you is. You
to
slurring like that, you ain't not a criminal offense attorney.
Do your job.
Go ahead.
What is y'all calling the police for?
But why are you
calling the police anyway?
Huh? Why she talking about
Yeah.
Because you're
Walking by.
It doesn't matter. We're not.
Hey, hold on. Have your argument and explain.
Mario, don't worry about it. Mario, hold on. Pause. Mario.
Go.
Mario.
Get off.
Go. Mario.
Grab Mario.
No, don't grab me for shit. You get your drunk ass out. You too, go.
No, you're on my property. You're
Go on my
trespassing.
property.
Get off my property.
Call 621-7000. Call him.
Get off my property. You guys
Call him.
You guys get. You are trespassing.
We
I can't believe that you
The problem is that you're drunk. No, you walk off with her.
You get on too. No, you can't. You on my
You
property.
talk to her. We're not out here doing anything.
No, take your Colt 45 and get the fuck on the
Get off my
here.
property.
Take
Now.
your Colt 45 and get the fuck on the out of here.
Get off my property.
No.
Enjoy your walk and go.
Take your Colt 45, smear off that shit, ice up, water down, and walk out up the motherfucking block.
Bye.
I don't give a fuck what y'all talking about. This is our house that we own. You don't bring your
Okay, so as you can clearly see, that turned into a whole screaming match, okay? Lady comes over, slurring her speech with a drink in her hand. Going to say, oh, the whole neighborhood can hear you. Mind you, from the Ring doorbell camera, you could hardly hear anything. So I don't know how you heard something, or the whole neighborhood heard it, and apparently cops are going to be called, allegedly. And from the Ring doorbell camera, you don't even hear them on the inside until you hear her say, who are you and why are you knocking on my door? Why are you ringing my doorbell? And then she gonna go and say, oh, well, I'm a criminal defense attorney. Lady, you are literally, you're not supposed to be, public intoxication is a crime. You're not supposed to just be out drunk like that, okay? Being belligerent, because that's really what you're doing. One commenter that I thought was actually pretty interesting as I was scrolling through them is saying, like, why is it that we keep allowing for Karen to just do whatever? Why is it that we just keep allowing? And I wouldn't say that we're allowing it. And yes, there needs to be lawyers. There needs to be all that kind of stuff going on. But I wouldn't necessarily say that people are necessarily allowing it. Now, do you have a good chunk that are? Yes, but you also have a good chunk that are not. These are the pieces of the cake that are not. You have seen many where they're just like, well, I didn't do anything, ma'am. I just didn't do anything. And they just keep like being extra passive, even though the person's being really, really aggressive, but no lawsuits are coming or anything like that. Those are the people that's allowing that kind of stuff. But at the end of the day, I agree. It's like you have a lot of people who they don't want to see you happy. You're in your house with your family, minding your own business, maybe having a game night, probably got some music playing, whatever the case may be, and you're just enjoying yourselves. And then you have a person who comes up just bothering you. And we've seen many Karen videos where the person is just minding their own business, doing whatever. Maybe they're heading to their own parking garage for their apartment complex. And then you have a Karen that says, like, oh, no, you can't. You don't live here. You couldn't live here. You can't afford this kind of place. And it's like, what? Can we just mind our own business, y'all? I mean, I don't get why we have to go with, have all this back and forth all the time. Can we just mind our own business? You see someone who's over there, I don't know, selling roses in front of a Walmart, which has happened. There's a black boy, he was selling roses. He didn't have a sales permit or anything like that. So they were like, "Oh, you can't do it here, yada yada yada." The cops got him down on the ground. It's like, what? You had people complaining, say, "Oh, you can't do this." Then you just have so many other instances where this kind of stuff happens in regular stores like Walmart's, Target's, Victoria's Secrets, etc. And people are just complaining. Oh, well, this person's doing this. Oh, well, and it's like, y'all, what? Why? I don't get it. Why do we have to have Karen moments all the time? But getting back to this, it's like, just let people enjoy their life. Just let people enjoy their time. You're over here bothering somebody for no reason at all. You're over here saying, oh, well, you shouldn't be doing this. You shouldn't be doing that. You're making too much noise and the whole neighborhood can hear you. Girl, while you're drunk, walking around, walking around the neighborhood drunk. And you could go and say, well, you're breaking the rules. I'm going to call the cops because it's a noise disturbance, but you're drunk. Girl, bye. Let me know what y'all think about Set Story down below.